Hello guys, in this video I'm showing you how am I creating and designing this bracelet, which you can find on a bracelet book page as a free 241. It's interesting because it's my own design, it's my first ever designs. I've never really designed any bracelet before, and when I was already creating bracelets I just said to myself, okay, I want to create some bracelets as well, why not? Originally I haven't created this bracelet in this particular software, but I've created this bracelet on a friendship bracelet page generator. Of course it wasn't accepted. Like I've created probably like 5 designs on that day and they accepted none of them. Anyway, I'm really pleased with it, and actually this bracelet is very favorite and very popular like with people, so I'm really pleased with that, I must say. It's a 12-string bracelet and I really like to design 12 strings bracelets. As you can see, there is another color variation, and this variation is coming from one guy on Instagram, and I must say he really did a great color design, which I've inspired myself with. Yeah, I also have tutorials on my YouTube channel on how to add buttons to your bracelets, because people are asking how am I adding buttons to my bracelets. These bracelets look really interesting. And also I have another tutorial where I'm actually speaking how to use this particular software, and you can design your own bracelet, which I think is really amazing. Thanks for watching, and eventually see you next time.